Damn, okay, I see you. I see you. Oh,
If I win, I get to keep your girl. If you lose, I get to keep your girl. Like,
oh, yo.
yeah, there we go.
Oh, hell no.
Hey, take it easy.
See you guys. I love you. Oh.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Hold a minute.
I'm overheating. I'm not talking about my bike. Oh shit. Yo, you wanna fight? Oh, you wanna take you to the corners.
Yeah, fuck it, I'll try it.
God damn, my brother's exhaust is just so sexy. Wow, his back brakes are non-existent. His throttle response though is like immediate. Jesus, like, I don't even need a throttle that hard. What you want? What you want? Go! Oh my god, it's like automatic. I'm freaking jealous. Throttle is so touchy compared to mine. Yo, your bike is fucking nice. Like the throttle, you don't even gotta. You go like this and you're fucking gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like I didn't even feel it working.
Oh,
Was
it probably needs to be blood.
Blood. Oh, blood.
Blood?
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 Ooh, okay. I see you, bro. I see you. I can multitask.
Oh, okay. You know, I could tell you can multitask. Because you had a girlfriend and then...
Yo, chill. Chill. We don't talk about that. Crazy, I almost fell. Just point the camera like this.
I'm pretty sure I could be right here. I don't think you can corner enough. Yo, yo.
If I hit you, I'm hitting you. If I hit you, I'm full throttling, bro. Yo. How do you spell Saturday?
Are you playing with me right
How do
now?
you spell it? How do you spell it?
S-A-A. S-A-A. S-A-A.
I know that's for sure wrong.
Oh. S-A-T-E-R. Turday. No. It's T-U-R. I'm pretty sure.
How do you spell it?
I don't fucking know.
Why the hell are you making fun of me then, stupid?
I just need to make sure real quick. This is why you stay in school, kids.
That doesn't mean anything.
See, my brother's still in school, but he still doesn't know how to spell Saturday.
Look at this slow guy. Ooh. Oh, okay. I see you. That was clean. Oh, okay. Yo, you lean pretty far. I mean, for an amateur.
I didn't even see you leaning.
Either way, I'm gonna take you on corners.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Yo, that's why you got me on straights. Cause you hacking. You hella hacking. You got Game Shark. Do you even know what that is?
No, what the fuck is that? I'm not old.
Oh. Yeah, I was too poor to have it, but I know about it.
So.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Try to keep up.
Okay, no problem.
Don't worry about it.